Okay, so they turn it on in the back.
Mirror to begin.
And then you touch the diamond to begin.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, I'm trapped in this mirror. Can you help me make a potion to set me free?
Yes.
You're a star. Fill the potion cup with water up to the fill line.
So it comes with everything you need. First, we got the water.
Keep going. Add ingredient 1 to the potion. My butterfly wings.
So it has ingredient 1 and ingredient 2. Ingredient 1 is the butterfly wings. So this is super intuitive for kids.
Here are the butterfly wings. There's like butterflies.
And we're gonna put them into the potion.
Add ingredient 1 to the potion. My butterfly wings. Touch the My butterfly wing. I feel like myself again.
Aw, this is so cute. Listen.
Add ingredient 2 to the potion.
Okay, your
It'll
turn.
bubble with cosmic energy to continue.
Okay, this is a magic rock, and now we're gonna add it in, and it's gonna bubble. Whoa! It's fizzing, and it's turning pink.
Add ingredient 2 to the potion. It'll bubble with cosmic energy. Touch the diamond to continue.
There's something inside. There's something inside. Look it.
Oh my goodness! What is that?
Magic is working. Look at the potion.
Whoa.
You did it. You have created the moon crystal. Reach inside the potion and remove the crystal. It really sparkles. Press the crystal into the top of the mirror until you hear the music.
Push the crystal into the top of the mirror. Where's the crystal?
The crystal.
Where is it?
Oh.
Push it into the top of the mirror until you hear music. Okay, let's see what we do here.
Stand back and say, Magica Mixa.
Magica Mixa. Wait, she's gonna pop out. Okay.
None of us were expecting that. Now you have your very own
Wait.
Magica Mixes,
Where's
girl.
the diamond?
Oh, I just put it over here.
You can't go back.
Yeah, so let's put it back. What is the other thing you can do on the back? So if you don't do the potion, you can do the fortune telling. How do you do that?
You turn it.
Okay, so then you can set it on that mode, and what does that do?
My cosmic power can tell your fortune. Ask me a yes or
So,
no question and then press
You
the
ask her a yes or no.
Okay, ask her a question.
Do you have wings?
A big fluttery yes.
Wow. Okay, you want to ask her something?
Do you love princess?
I'm unsure which way this will go.
She doesn't know. Want to ask again?
Do you love your hair?
It's crystal clear. Yes.
All right, well that is so cool. I think this is a really fun toy. Very interactive. You can use it again and again, and that surprise, that reaction is worth it
My
just for
cosmic
that.
power can